have some special message be for the MPP. Now, what the Boakye Agyarko NAPO, a lot of issues last week within the MPP in Sempinwa sorry. Now, over Facebook, a kuobi sorry. At the petition echo say Kennedy Agyapong yenino free the MPP party nim or say MPP group petitions party to expel Kennedy Agyapong over alleged anti-party conducts. Now, you see from patriotic defenders of MPP worldwide. Now, this issue sorry. A dear na Kennedy Agyapong aye his comment on a ferry military hospital. Now, a lot of issues every mwaba. Say okoka say committee ni pese omoko and I am na MPP at the moment complete. Kennedy was saying the truth about a ferry because in 2024 June, within that period, Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia ekasa mehu assurance that our ferry military hospital no will be commissioned na aye adwuma na ohwe facility a esiho sese ya nanka the possibility said you can said the MPP within 8 years could have completed there's no doubt about that because there are so many projects MPP and Ukrumu some of them took them 4 or 5 years but their priority is all about priority e die ni hia wo kane die na apɛ so ye and yenim say Ashanti region is a stronghold of the MPP I see a deny of these special national cakes ekoso but say utumi ko tu amana de ye pu national cathedral say $97 million na untumi complete a very important project say because of a non-money say we are identity is stretching Komfanochi so much. And then he gives this comment. Na ebeye to say why enemy. Na metiwana me sha. I think that the MPP has learned nothing. MPP in from the defeat they went through in 2024. Unimbibi. Ekuya omode petition ko say Kennedy Agyapong yenyino free MPP mu eno they don't understand anything about politics. In 2024 elections Alan Kojo Kyeremanteng aye say wate ne ho afiri MPP mu no san krofo a sebe omu nimdie eni animu wo aye amanyosem start kan onye say ewomu say the governance performance of the MPP the MPP would have lost but the margin of loss actually will say BBC election year 2024 na ye den ya MPP be lose but the margin a womu di lose ye na kire will say BB koso Alan Kyeremanteng exit from the MPP was just not nothing and yet say wo fa ne say anya hwi BBC if the MPP thinks that losing Alan was just nothing, Mon check it 2024, the defeat margin. Many of the supporters of the MPP, Mkodi Alan Echino, they were praying say MPP be lose, say unimua. And some of them knew say omotuma Alana. Alan entimi enwini entini yakra de omo nkotoa ba no kra ha omo and that is why some of the MPP bebre antoaba no Alan didn't just leave, he took a chunk of the base with him. If there is any lesson the MPP will learn, they should learn from Alan's exit and their defeat in 2024. Na sa enkrofo enenam che no a ubenyana miracles Boakye Akoto yampia na we so de nam ha instead of facing the real fact no na obia de nam ne ba bi na ase wo mo attack Kennedy obekwa onko onye say and you realize that he also have a support base within the party. Kennedy Agyapong yawe shedi munu asemu a oka ni nyina is that during the presidential primaries no enuma bi akoso a San said the MPP has lost leadership Entino, openini bi antimi enfrent na sen kasem no. And the flag bearer of the party, Dr. Alhaji Mahamadu Bawumia, who is seen as the face of the party, is not able to organize the base, organizing penifue and kasem ni manim free. So who feels that same be anywhere? Listen to Kennedy Agyapong. Na same way, tie Kennedy, tie no.
I said yes, I respect you na bedua. Wo obi ti say cook say me, ya pa me chiri. Oni me beto no. And before we are ready, me see July 2027, me no more action. I will Ghana ha. You be surprised. You think I'm stupid? Ancient. I respect you na bedua. Wo obi ti say cook say me, ya pa me chiri. Oni me beto no. And before we are ready, me see July 2027, me no more action. I will Ghana ha. You be surprised. You think I'm stupid? I'm stupid to come and follow you guys again. I'm stupid.
Honorable.
We have a 10 case of Kennedy Agyapong. No wait and see what will happen.
And the ora also obubodi bi. Na obo omu a omudi na temba ne ye ne ya. And wunya obi to say abronye koka a omo ye Bawumia supporters. Ekotena social media. Na ye didi Kennedy attempt sebe ya pai ni trimti anya you know they want to say sebe wabodam. That is what they want to say. And it's an insult to Kennedy all beginning or sister o ko baby I said yes respect you. Na bebe fie na be yankrofu bi. It means he's hurt. And a house with a leader, a house that has leadership, a house where well organized would have looked into this and addressed it so that every pain be a will be a munube coffin. But rather, it's about Kobe division, found some and all that because MPP lack leadership. Comments here. Abronya and Koka has any source on Kennedy Agyapong. Imagine, or your nipa, and so also or your head. So what should the leadership of the party do? Make Makada, and I called on Dr. Alhaji Mahamadu Bawumia. Say he needs to caution the followers to say Abronya any Koka. During the prime, he said that son insults no, but he ignored. And you see a didiko because my catcher said amanyosem yede atemdidie na eye no emasa amanyosem ne emu ye ha na so ya amanyoku a egum na mo de atemdidie na fram ntom a ugu amanyoku no sei amanyoku no because Dr. Alhaji Mahamadu Bawumia osuro koka osuro abronye it won't mean ka omasem because you need to call them to order. That time near TM Bawumia called them to order. Na dear kono hete some of the times insult no kra na enye yawo. Ye tie kra enye but utia utimi se mu ya. If the person have pain no or complain here. Look at what is happening now. You never mind. Me I see Bawumia as a weak leader. Very very weak leader. Because gone were the days when we have flag bearers here. Woman near dear, Bibi will hold my because they the face of the party. The face of the party. On an echo a kunim, and so obi a good who feel or kwemua or best say any chances that person is seriously or handle. And as a leader, if you cannot, or party chairman, any secretary near there, or what that responsibility, no, if they are not acting. The acting chairman is not being proactive. The general secretary, JFK, and proactive to handle some of these things in the party. It's left to you. Ekeye abronya ni koka, omu your followers. Okasa omuti. Kayen asemu amukai na ye papa ne ya pa say, and it's bringing some kind of division. Find a way and re-address that particular issue. Nema papa ne bonto ne yem. Na nka kokoam kra na mobeye obi anu a ne bubeto ne yem ba obehu no abronya make say just last 3 days was supposed to be kra or attack Kennedy Agyapong and no one will talk about it. And what do you want him to do? Also 2027 and mun ya ne say obi free party ni mu ana say okasa bia wate ne ho ana okodwa yi a it's good for the MPP. You see okopre na okoye campaign nipa dodo say na ope And then nipa ba akokura utimi gina na ho be 30 minutes 1 hour just to convince that person to vote a single vote, you know, for you. But Kennedy, if he is going, he's not going alone. Because now MPP is like a snake. I try to tear free so they are canning leadership a breaky tear miracles. And you make us about me a weak leader. Miracle explaining who a weak leader is. Tieno.
This weak president, very coolest president, what is
Tróuble adjectives now.
Oh, weak, weak. Leadership, they describe leadership, and I use no. They describe leadership. A leader is either weak or strong. A leader is either clueless or has a vision. I can be for now. Obi, on one and also to.
And a leader is either weak or strong. Utie kwa ni money obi or say. A leader bia just say okay bibi ansa na wetie ayo. You say manfo be de abeka bibi ansa na wetie ayo. But you are close to Bawumia. Ukakura wontie. MPP is losing its core strength. And today, and who hears some reflect because I the bay and I told you and paper say now say it's all about Kennedy issues here by any idea it's telling you something needs to be done. Say secretly imponi adie and now you make coca and a bronye go and do the needful before Kennedy Agyapong Agyapong. The pain will subside because we said the na ekoso no na tiwani opening or no tiwano sabe or no so reputation bi o no kan o so tukwan ya yebu no. And if you don't address this Alan Ko and the effect aba Kennedy will leave, it will bring another effect. Then be ready say opposition no there. And he say what were the 8 years no the obetwa in opposition. Yes. If the MPP doesn't handle these things, these divisions are springing out a lot in a year, the opposition no there. Mark my words. 4 years in the another 4 years, but you stay there for 8 years and son no power. Yeah, forget about 2028. If you don't build and ensure that there is unity, forget about it. No mugusua no mudiatem, no mugusua no mu, and we talked about this here. And now when the Akoto, baby, John Ejekumkufo, Belidi as a flag bearer, from those times at the back, even another time, Krana Alan, another fashion near the Adenokra. Some of these attempted no a denia, no. We didn't see some of this because the Drew baby and leadership be a common. Chekobechebilam temunen as if for a lot of things. Obechebilam they will act. And pennyful pinua bebem. But nothing happens. We need, if nothing at all, if the NDC realize say there is no strong or formidable party behind to take power from them. It will need strong, formidable parties behind opposition to be able to put the government on its toes. But the Akosidi as a the MPP is on the verge of a collapse. Say the elders in the party must act. Politics of insult. I've talked about this several times. Say no, me say political parties now here. These are some of the things a droppy party, a faith. Jeff, screen for me. A droppy party, a faith. And they're very much important. Say your first guardian. Any political party. One shiny year, you are down. What a word to a wise.
What do you make of this? Should Ken be sanctioned? Should he be punished for speaking his mind?
You see, so when you are dealing with a political party made up of people who are very unprincipled, this is what you get. First and foremost, this is a party not long ago who were on the neck of security agencies that even though some of the things that were being said by their own people were clear and were against the laws of the Republic, particularly Section 207, 208 of our criminal code. And yet, they knew it. Some of the people who were speaking were lawyers. They said, no, the government has an agenda against free speech and that people should be allowed to speak freely, regardless. This is a man who has not even said anything close to what others have said. He is just saying the things he's been saying, and they've been cheering him on. In fact, for years, the man has said so many things. I mean, Honorable Kennedy Agyapong has said so many things, and they've applauded him. Some of which have inured to their political benefit. They won elections with them. What you may, whatever. I don't want to remind viewers of some of the things. Some cannot be said here. And they were cheering him on. In fact, when he was even arrested, look, they brought the whole of Accra to a standstill. The MPP. Why? But if you are one who would leave a dog for a tiger, when you nurture it, eventually you will see the trait. And it's up to you. You have to take whatever you brought up. You see, but in this case, this particular one, I don't even see any problem with it. But if this is how they want to go about it, it's their own cup of tea. What has the man said? And I'll refer to their constitution for you to understand if it breaches, and you can let's do that.
Well, they say he's violated Article 3
of
the MPP's constitution.
Which is what? What does it say?
It requires members to be truthful and loyal to the party.
It's not a quotation. I have
the name of the party.
It requires members to be what?
To be truthful and loyal to the party, and to protect and promote the good name of the party.
Yes, but of course, the man, according to him, is saying the truth. He's not lying. He's not lying. He's not said he's lying. Who determines who is lying?
But that's his truth.
Yes, but I mean, everybody's truth. Whatever others are saying is their own truth.
Yes.
Who subjected this to any rigorous scrutiny to know who is telling the truth or not? And since when did this article become part of their constitution? We've heard what Abronya has been saying against this man and other people. Is Kennedy Agyapong no longer an MPP person? So if it is said against him, it's fine. That one is gospel. But if he says anything against any other person, that's where you draw the line. If you are expelling him, it's your own matter. I mean, we don't care. But for me, he said nothing that deserves this kind of attention. But if you want to grant him, to the extent that Sammy who wants to join this, he is experienced. This is how they want to. Look, this is a man. What is he saying? Fact. Is it true that the MPP shamelessly did what they did at Afriyie? Some of their own people cannot even defend it. You've seen the videos that is going around. When Dr. Bawumia said he's been assured that in 2022, the Afriyie project will be completed. The videos are all over. Dr. Bawumia himself, as Vice President of the Republic. It is a fact, per the report, we don't have time, that the structure itself was over 90% complete. Just within 2 years. Because the project, the construction actually started in 2014. What has been discussed before 2014 is not really the issue. But when it started, within 2 years, 90%, over 90% of the structure was put. And then you came. And this is a region that gives you the highest vote. In fact, all your political fortunes depend on this region. And you have the likes of Honorable and Afriyie and Co, who now are shouting on top of the roof that something needs to be done. They were in power. For 8 years, what did you do? And they keep telling us it's not true that we didn't do anything. Tell us what you did. We brought this water. We brought this cup. Tell us. They always say that we did something. 90% complete for the architecture, just the biomedical installations and all that. Within 8 years, couldn't do. And you are telling us that it's due to some disagreements and whatever, which you couldn't resolve. And this government comes and is saddled with all this confusion. Now the contractor is claiming so much money. We need to go and find the money and go back to it. Then you go and take cutlasses when you don't even read your own compound, your own play. I mean, you are not the people who clears the reader. Yet you could take cutlasses, including some ladies I don't want to, who are members of parliament.
They're patriotic citizens.
And they just become patriotic. They weren't before.
Well, we cannot become patriotic at some point.
At some point.
Yes.
So they are now patriotic. We thank God that they weren't within the 8 years, but they are now. And then you walk there and you want just the optics because you think Ghanaians are dumb. And when the backlash comes and your own man is exposing you, then we feel Ghanaian. It should be celebrated. He has rather been patriotic because you know you failed. So in this particular instance, I celebrate Ken for coming up, even though his tradition is being disingenuous. He says, I will not. I will tell the truth for the people of Ghana.
But in telling the truth, he's ended up throwing his own party under the bus.
But so we are encouraging people to lie regardless, people to deceive the people of Ghana.
No, just keep quiet.
But why should we keep quiet?
You're embarrassed your party.
No, but you see, that's why I'm saying that since when things have been said, when he was saying things against other people, you celebrated him. Did you subject him to the scrutiny you want us to subject him to, whether he was speaking the truth or not? So you've not, because it's against you, and is that what their constitution says? That if it is against you, then you can activate the provision of it. Look, if you read their constitution, it defines this anti-party whatever behavior as a speed that undermines the party's unity.
Yeah.
Violates established codes of conduct and brings the party into disrepute. Tell me where this comes in. He says we failed the people of Ashanti region. But is he the only person who is saying? In fact, Dr. Bawumia on some occasion when he was doing this, was a thank you to or whatever, he admitted to certain things that we didn't do this, we did. In fact, Dr. Bawumia on a platform, he said he was even surprised to hear from, and I was shocked to hear from him. He said that at the time Ghanaians were suffering, they were doing certain things that did not inure to the benefit of Ghanaians. To smote them, you've lost election. People are telling you the truth that we failed this, we failed that. How is that supposed to be? So you should be quiet because you want Ghanaians to be deceived. He would not.
Okay.
So at the end of the day, what we are saying is this. Look, for me, if Ken is saying what he is saying, and this can land him in this trouble, I encourage them to proceed.
Okay.
Because the man is saying that next year he will tell us more. We are waiting. Let me even give you this. This issue of the 10%, he said, is that the reason they want to subject him to this? The man is saying that you people took the contracts and came to sell the contracts to him and other people and took 10% away. Is it true or false? Were you not in this country when the deputy finance minister came to parliament on the 10th day of March 2025, 10th day, and told the people of Ghana that we had conducted, the president had initiated a certain investigation into the Agenda 111, and the Auditor General's report, which is dated, which report is dated, I think, in March 2025, said that 35 contractors had taken a whooping $7.9 million, but failed to even turn up at the site. This is what the Auditor General's report is saying. If they want prosecution, it will happen. Because you see, for you to take $7.9 million as mobilization and vote, it means that there are accomplices within the system. There is no way a contractor could take such a whooping amount and vote without the authorities, the public servants or the people, public authorities watch him to vote. It means that they are all accomplices. So if Ken is saying this, we are not surprised. But we want further details. And you see, if anybody quotes anything Ken may have said against NDC, the person would be misleading them. Because you sit here, if I ask you what pertains in Metro TV, you would be in a position to tell me more, but you can't tell me much about what happens in GTV or TV3. I will believe you if you speak about matters in Metro than elsewhere. So anybody who tries to equalize by saying he said this against you too, that's unfair.
Right.
Because he's within.
Okay.
We will believe him because he's with you. He said they came to sell the contract to him. Don't equalize, because as for us, he's not with us. He may be lying, but yours is within.
Okay.
So we will take it as the gospel.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.